Okay, we're back. Okay, so here's what I plan on using for a counterweight right here. It's a piece of square tubing, I'm guessing 4x4, maybe 6x6. Anyways, well, it's pretty big, pretty heavy piece. And again, like I said, I'm welding a hitch thing here, and that's what we're working on here. I got this at Walmart. I'm just going to use it as a template because I've got the tubing for here. I've got the tubing. I'm going to use this as a template. So I'll be right back. Well, I had a pin here. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm going to use this as a template. And fortunately this pin fits right in there. Okay, there's that. See how that worked? Then we go here. Same thing. Make sure we're squared up there. Here. That's very important, obviously. Okay. I'd like to save that. And here's our deal. Although that hole looks a little, it's hard to tell, but it looks, well, hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Yeah, okay, good. So, we got that done. Let's go in here. And this is when we get set up. That's half of it, just getting set up. This is one of those Harbor Freight deals. We did get the air compressor out. Yeah, it's going to take some time. Let me put you on pause for a little bit. All I'm doing is connecting that, and that's our stuff over there. So, gotta take the hose off there and all that good stuff. Anyways, I'll be back when I'm all set up.